Thank you so much, Juan Miguel Escante.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. A pleasant morning to all the respected teachers, parents, guests, to all my fellow completers and graduates, and to our school directress, Ma'am Abigail S. Estante, and our school founder, Ma'am Serhia S. Estante. I am Princess Angelica Sahaganino, a grade 10 completer, standing in front of you to express my words of gratitude. As I stand here today, this quote by Winston Churchill resonates deeply. We've all had our moments of triumph, and yes, our share of failure. However, it's not about how many times we win or fall. It's about having the courage to rise again every single time. If you're having a hard time, you can always ask for help. Asking for help doesn't mean that you're weak or you can't do things right. I had always asked for help, not because I'm weak, but because I needed it. Reflecting on our time here, we recall the late nights of studying, last-minute projects, moments of doubt, and unexpected challenges. I remember moments of struggle, like studying whole night because of a test, or being frustrated over a lesson that I couldn't understand. I still remember the times when we were so stressed out because of our projects that should be passed early, or the tasks that should be done properly. When times like that happen, I would always ask myself if kaya ko ba to o kaya ko ba to. I had always thought of giving up on things that is hard for me. But still, I kept going and did not lose hope. And that hope brought me here, in front of all of you. I know some of you have faced your own challenges. I may not know your exact struggles, but I believe that you can overcome it by believing in yourself. Failing doesn't mean that it's the end of the world or the end of your world. You can always try again and again. You just need a lot of courage to rise again and think of the things that you want to achieve and think about the people who believe and are believing in you. Our journey was not easy. We faced challenges and obstacles, but with the help of our parents, teachers, friends, and classmates, we were able to overcome them. But what has truly defined our journey is the courage to keep going. I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to the ones who helped me in this journey. First of all, I thank the Lord for giving me this honor, to all the blessings He has given me and my family. He has not abandoned me in all the trials I have faced. To St. Francis College of Davao Incorporated, thank you for pushing me to study harder, not just for my grades, but for my own growth. I have been in this school for 10 years already, and in that 10 years, so many things had happened and so many memories have been built. To our teachers, you have been our guiding lights ever since we've stepped into this school, especially to my teacher, Ma'am Jessa May Atig Arredondo. You've taught us resilience, kindness, and the importance of integrity. Also, of course, the people who I had been with for the past 10 months, my classmates, whom I can now call my second family. You are all one of the reasons why I am standing here in front of all of you. Janelle, Allison, Thea, Ace, Bea, Jara, Butaya, Joseph, Neil, Dave, Isaiah, and JB. I'll forever be grateful for the memories we made together. Like the day when we took a bath on the school campus because we were so dirty due to the activities we did. The times when we had our community service, it was so tiring yet so fun. Us pestering each other, having small fights, cursing one another, and bickering with each other. All the things we have made in this journey will forever be my favorite memory with all of you. To my two trusted friends, Jomari and Juan, you two are always there for me whenever I needed someone to talk to. This journey will not be filled with joy without you guys. And lastly, to the people who have believed and supported us since the beginning, our dearest parents and guardians. Your support and sacrifices are the primary reason why we are here today. Your belief in us has been a constant source of strength. To my father, Armando Ino, my mother, Geraldine Mendoza, my older sisters and brother, Ate Abby, Ate Queen, Ate Jack, Kuya GJ, and Kuya Nathaniel. To my three guardian angels, Tito Anan, Tito Rare, and Tito Lisa. My titos and tita, Tito Joseph, Tito John John, Tita Babette, my Lola, Lola Angaling, and lastly to my Papa Lolo. You all have supported and guided me ever since. Thank you so much for your unwavering support, guidance, and love. I am and will forever be grateful to have you all in my life. To my fellow completers and graduates, today marks the end of one journey and the beginning of another. It's natural to feel a mix of excitement and nostalgia, especially when we have built a lot of memories together. These past years at St. Francis College of Davao Incorporated have been more than just academic lessons. They've been a journey of growth, friendship, and discovery. This day isn't just a celebration of academic success. It's a tribute to the things we have done, the quiet strength we found in ourselves, and the support we gave one another. We have grown so much since the first day at St. Francis College of Davao Incorporated, and I am so proud of all that we have accomplished together. As we step into the future, let's carry forward the lessons we've learned and the values we've embraced. The world ahead may be uncertain, but with the foundation we've built here, we're equipped to face any challenge and seize every opportunity. Good morning, thank you, and congratulations to all of us.